Hi, this is Dr. Drew Collins with Proactive Choice. Give us a call at 858-333-5196 if you want to learn more about using peptides in your health program. And I'm amenable to talking to you over the phone. We do telemedicine. We also have patients that come and see us here in Bend, Oregon. So give us a call here if you're interested in biohacking and using peptides. This particular peptide we're going to talk about today is probably the second most famous one. They use it in a Wolverine stack, they call it, along with BPC 157, Body Protective Compound 157. I should warn you, both of those things are usually given injections, and that gets into a whole other conversation. But what I like about this stuff behind me here, TB4 Frag, is I can get it as an oral peptide manufactured for human use by a compounding pharmacy. It's completely legal, and a lot of the problems with adulterations and contaminations are taken care of by the fact that it's not injectable. So there is mostly information about subcutaneous administration to these peptides, and a lot of the people are doing this on their own without doctor's administration or help, and to be determined the actual outcome of the efficacy of the new changes they're making to some of these oral powder forms. So there is a form of the TB4 Frag that you can get orally that has been changed by an additional chemical compound that makes it go through the cell membrane quicker. So the problem about the first pass, second pass through the digestion is mitigated if you do it sublingually. So at the end of this conversation, I'll mention the fact that sublingual is available for at least this particular product, if not several other peptides. So here we go. So Thymosin Beta-4 Fragment is a newly created smaller peptide sequence that labs make and are available. And there's a lot of buzz around what they do. Big picture information is that TB4 Frag, or the fragment of the Thymosin Beta-4 43 amino acid peptide, this fragment is the active component that gets things going. So it does talk to cells, and just the bullet points are very neuroprotective, anti-inflammatory, and even regulating autoimmune type of situation. So besides progressive tissue modeling and helping you not scar terribly if you're remodeling and repairing, so tissue repair in the big organs, also balancing out the thymus derived or thymus educated cells, the immune system. So this TB4 does a lot of things with repair and healing, and also protecting against inflammation. Okay, whole lot thought. We'll come back in a minute. Bye for now.